Welcome to this guided meditation for trusting your body and medical care. So let's find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Let's begin. And taking another slow inhale through your nose and slowly exhale out your mouth, feeling the support beneath you, whether it's a chair or a bed or just the ground, feeling it fully supporting you in this moment and allowing your shoulders to relax and soften. And let your hands rest softly next to you or on your lap or whatever just feels comfortable for you. And I want you to know that right now you are safe in this moment. Now bring to mind the doubt or fear you have about your health, whatever it might be. Bring it to your mind and feel it. Face it. Observe it. Notice how this doubt feels in the body. And you are now observing it without judgment, no labels. And I want you to say to yourself, doubt is just a thought. It is not the truth. Imagine placing this doubt on a cloud in the sky. And watch as it drifts past, slowly, gently, effortlessly. You are now separate from your doubt. Your body is not fragile. It is designed to heal, to repair, and adapt. Repeat silently or out loud, whichever feels right for you. My body knows what to do. I do not need to monitor every sensation. I can trust in my body's wisdom. I choose to believe in my body's strength. My body knows what to do. I do not need to monitor every sensation. I can trust in my body's wisdom. I choose to believe in my body's strength. My body knows what to do. I do not need to monitor every sensation. I can trust in my body's wisdom. I choose to believe in my body's strength. Know that each word reinforces trust in your body. And now bring your mind a time when a doctor reassured you of this health concern or health doubt that you have. Feel the comfort of knowing they had your best interest in mind. Visualize yourself fully accepting their words without second guessing. And repeat silently or out loud. Doctors are trained to recognize illness. I choose to trust them. Medical tests are highly accurate. I do not need endless testing. I release the need to seek constant reassurance. Doctors are trained to recognize illness. I choose to trust them. Medical tests are highly accurate. I do not need endless testing. I release the need to seek constant reassurance. Doctors are trained to recognize illness. I choose to trust them. Medical tests are highly accurate. I do not need endless testing. I release the need to seek constant reassurance. And let the trust settle into your heart and mind, and know that it is true. Allow the truthfulness of it to radiate from inside of your body outward to the tips of your toes, the tips of your finger, to every part of your being. Radiate the truthfulness of it. Believe it with all of your being. And when ready, slowly bring awareness back to your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel into the present moment. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and know that you are safe, you are healing, and you are in control. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Okay, so the next steps. I want you to resist the urge to second-guess medical results. Use this meditation whenever doubt arises. And in the next lesson, we'll focus on fully embracing life beyond health anxiety. And I want you to remember that this free health anxiety course is a powerful complement to the 8-week Transforming SAD course available on transformingsad.com. Next week, we are going to learn how to live life fully without letting anxiety hold you back. I will see you in the next lesson. Once again, my name is Patrick Ferner with transformingsad.com. Wishing you excellent mental health. Namaste.